medium-sized pot. That's what we need. Roughly about half teaspoon of oil. All right, guys, half teaspoon of oil. We're using some good organic oil. All right, don't use too much oil. Half teaspoon is good. Meat-free Monday is out. All right, garlic. Two cloves of garlic. Pimento seed. All right, yeah man, meat-free Monday start off. White onion, cutting up. Here it is, white onion. Yeah man, good vibes. So we got white onion, some garlic, and pimento seed. Spring onion. Come on guys, like up the video. Tomato. Yeah man, that looking good. Here it is. So you take time and get everything together. Look at that. Get all your peppers, tomato, white onion, spring onion, some garlic, and some pimento seed, a little bit of oil. Fry up your season, fry up your vegetables. Beautiful sense, flavor, taste, texture with some fresh mint, fresh thyme. Sorry guys, I'm not talking about fresh thyme. This is some peppers. See that? Alright guys. So these are things that you wanna do when you're cooking at home. Meat-free Monday. Little bit of texture, some vegetables that looking good with some garlic. So that's a good vibe right there. Secondly, yeah, a lot of people don't cook this kind of way still. I must say to you. It is meat-free Monday, and that's why we cook this way. Sea salt. Black pepper. Looking delicious. Thank you so much. E-rolls. Oh yes. Wild one euros coming over shore. Little bit of vegetable season. See that, guys? Jamaican cabbage, very good. Look at that. This way you have to cut the cabbage. I cut them first, guys. All right, and wash them off. Yeah, Nick in the building. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Good vibes. Alright, look at that, guys. Take your time and fold it in. Alright. Make sure everything cook and curry, you know. Yeah, man, nice strips. Yeah, that's how Chef Ricardo have to do it, you know. You don't want nothing big and chunky. Because we now cook for the army. You have to do it the right and proper way. Yeah, man. Beautiful. Fold it in. Wow. Jamaican Scotch bonnet. That's the Scotch bonnet right there, guys. You don't want to put the pepper in it. Yeah, you don't want to put the there it is. Yeah, man. You see that? You get flavor from this already. God have mercy, trouble. Let's taste it. Turn on it, cook a little bit. Can taste that pepper. Wow, uncommon woman, what's going on? Turn on the cooker, make it steam for a little bit. That's what we need. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, that's a good vibes. Turn off the cooker. Look at it. Excellent. So that proper Jamaican cabbage. Big up my other team over there. Yeah. Yes. Cheer up. And now I'll cook oxtail, guys. A little bit of cabbage. Just a little bit of cabbage. Easy. Esther Delicious is in the building. Welcome back to Chef Ricardo Show. You know what I mean? All the way from Jamaica. Yeah. Yeah, man, that looking good. You have to know how to you know what I mean? Yeah, it's Easter, guys. What going on there, sir? I don't even know what going on. That's avocado. Hopefully it works. Alright. Wow, go on. So, okay. Yeah. Happy Easter. Squeeze up the kitchen. What's going on now? Big celebrity. Alright, now, Mr. Wagwana, sir. Alright. Them are some Jamaican dumpling. You can't find anyone in England. Yeah. Look at the yam. Channel star. Yeah, I think I hit that. Alright. Hold on the first. We don't eat too much of these kind of food, guys. You have to know how to serve the food. Can't serve food chaka on plate. Now, this is what the chef Ricardo talk about. If you're not do this at home, you need to. That's a vegetable. All right. Yeah. See? Welcome to Jamaica Cooking. Meat free Monday. Something different. All right. Now, as you guys can see, that's what I did for meat free Monday.